Let's get started setting up a chart. On my web platform, I have quotes on the left and I have a chart on the right. And I want to go over the anatomy of this chart. You'll see a subtle menu on the left-hand corner. I do want to remind everybody to manipulate the chart. You just left-click your mouse, hold it down. You could also zoom in a particular area of the chart by clicking the zoom button and then selecting the area you'd like to zoom in at. Click and click, and it opens up that area of the chart. The next thing is the type of chart. I'm going to go ahead and hover my mouse over this icon here that says open, high, low, close, and I'm going to click on it. It'll show me all the different chart types that I could add. We'll go ahead and change it to a candle. The time frame button here, click on that. I could change my time frames to anything I'd like. I could even create a custom time. So I'll go ahead and just change that to a day chart. And now I have a daily candlestick chart on my screen. The next icon over is chart settings. I'm going to click on that. It gives me all my options. The next is a little icon. It looks like a gear. I'm going to click on that. It'll just show me how my chart's configured so far. This will become more important once we add indicators and other things to the chart. Let's go to the next button, and that's the indicator button. I'm going to go ahead and add a exponential moving average, and I'll get a dialog box. And I have some choices to make, and I'm going to click save, and then you'll see I've added that moving average to the chart. Now going back to the gear, I have another element here. I have that moving average I just added. I could delete it, or I could click on it, and it'll give me the ability to change it again. Templates, I could save different templates with different indicators and different pieces of information on it, and I could call it whatever I want and refer to it later as well. On the left-hand side, you could change your crosshairs, you could add a data box, and your drawing tool, you could draw lines and fib retracements and all of that stuff. Just click on one, it'll activate the mouse, and then just draw a fib any way you'd like on the chart. Click again, and you've added your fib retracement. Once you're set up to how you want your chart, you could go ahead and lock menu, and that way you won't accidentally delete something, move something, change something. There's another settings area as well at the top, view settings, and you could add information. Lastly, this double arrow in the upper right, it says maximize. You could click on that and it maximizes the chart to display in your entire screen. To add another chart, I'm going to go to the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to click on plus, and then I'm going to look for the chart button. I'm going to grab it with my mouse. I'm going to pull it to the area in which I'd like it to be. I'm going to release, and now I have another chart book. Let's go ahead and add the NASDAQ. I could do the same process and set up my chart however I like. It really is that simple. Hope that helps.